I felt that when I teleoperated the robot, the controls were very intuitive and it was very responsive. I could take instantly control of the robot and interrupt the VLA process. And when I was done teleoperating the robot, I would just leave it and it took over with the VLA. So it was very intuitive and responsive also as well.
And I can see, I saw the teleoperation and also the AI models, and I can see how these can really bring some change